Hello, my dear friends. Wishing you all the best with loads and loads of love. And today, my life has become very simple and not has become. It is like I try to simplify my life as much as I can. Because now, one thing I have realized, and I feel very tired, firstly, with loads and loads of things, etc. Now I try to have a minimalist and more important than that, a very simple life. But yes, with simple, I still have certain, you can say, pleasures that I love to. They are very simple pleasures, but something which are very, very close to my heart. And one among those are candles. I love candles, and the fragrance candle with essential oil, not the artificial candle. And so this is not for the puja thing. I always love to be in the room and with a candle, what is called a burning candle, with a book, a cup of coffee, and I'm just set. I just feels good and comfortable, and I don't need much than that. And so my candle stock was going less. There was only one or two in the stock, I guess. So I just felt that I must buy some more candles, and which I haven't done actually. Last time I bought candle last year, because when I buy, I don't buy one or two, I buy loads. And I have a guilty pleasure, you can say. I always love the candles from Bath and Body Works. And so this time I just felt, and this package just came today, and today is 20th of July 2025, and this packet came. I was not at home at that time, and when I came, I just felt today we were supposed to have some shoot in the evening. So I just felt like sharing this with all of you. I always believe whatever I have, whatever I like to share, maybe physically, maybe emotionally, sharing the happy time, because we all have so much of miseries, pain. We all have our struggle in our own way, and most often we try not to speak about those struggles. And so in that, I just feel if I can share some happiness, and obviously everyone wants also so many times to know. As I say, I'm a very simple person now. I don't believe much into maximalism, but the simple pleasures, rather than going out and doing things, etc. As I said, I prefer to be at home, with a beautiful what is called soy candle with natural essential oil, and what is called a cup of coffee, or a very good Darjeeling tea with some biscuit or cookies, a book, and I'm just set. Or even starting with a YouTube video. And as I said, my ration of candle was going less, so we ordered some, and I just felt to let me share with all of you, because I always want you know who I am as a person. And yeah, so it was the last time we ordered, and now today came the others also. Let me first open. We had ordered actually a lot. Okay, oh, here it's not, the whole thing is not there. We ordered actually, I thought all will be there. We ordered 7 candles, but here in this box, I can see only 3. Simran, 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 Simran. So let me show these 3 with you. Actually, this time also we ordered, because I remember 7 that I chose, but here in this box I can see only 3. But yes, let me share these 3 candles. They are my favorite, and as you can see, this is one. And by the way, when the fragrance comes, I love it, like so these are called 3 weeks candle, and they are from Bath and Body Work. And I just love, all the wicks will burn, and this beautiful essential oil. And this is the fragrance of, well, I can't read because light is little less, so I can't read. this feels like eucalyptus and sage. This feels like, it's written also when I chose that time, I know, but now I cannot read this. And
This one is frozen lake.
हाँ लिखा तो फ्रोजन लेक है, बट उसका अरोमा क्या है दैट. एंड दिस इज लैवेंडर. दिस इज लैवेंडर and this is again a 3-week candle. See, I have this guilty pleasures, you can say, or whatever you say. And here this is another, what is called citrus groove. This is actually having the flavor of all orange, clementine, lemon, so this will give a citrus smell. See here. So this is also a 3-week candle. I just felt, let me share, because it is always the process of sharing with each other whatever we have with us. And as I said, we ordered 7 this time, but 3 came. Next time when another 4 come, I am definitely going to share with all of you. So with this, today we are wrapping it up. Wishing you a very, very happy time, nice time. Goodbye. God bless. Love you all.